This video was prepared as a part of Crowdsource Challenge Case Trigger Method, where the requirement was to be able to match account and contact on the basis of customer number field, which would be present on case object, and two custom objects, which would be late load notification and overload leave over pallet. So here the account name will consist of customer number, and the contact first name would be consisting of this customer number, which would be a part of a custom field which would be present on case object and the two custom objects. So whenever a customer number is entered for a case, depending on that customer number, related accounts and contacts will be mapped to this account. Now here I have already created a account with say customer number 5 times 1 and contact with first name consisting of customer number 5 times 1. Now let's try and create one case which has this customer number. Let's try entering a case with customer number 555, and let's say I select some phone number for this. For demo purpose we are not entering any other information into this. Let's save this case record. Now as you can see that the case record has automatically mapped the contact and account record with the record which we have already created, which consists of the customer number in the name field of account and contact. The same applies to the late load notification. Let's say here as well I enter 5 times 1. As you can see, the account and contact is automatically matched for the late load notification details. Same we can try for overload and save the record. And as you can see that account and contact records are mapped to this overload leave pallet object. Now this happens because of the triggers written on case of this late load notification and overload leave pallet object. Let's quickly walk through the code which has been written for this. As you can see that a simple trigger has been written which calls method from customer number mapping helper class, which gets the customer number set from the trigger, then creates a map for account and contact, and on the basis of this map created for account ID and contact ID, that would be the mapping of customer number and the account ID. We pass the parameters to another method which could set the account and contact in that case. In this case it is running on case. The same is the logic which would be applied on late load notification and overload leave over pallet object. As you can see, the logic which has been applied is generic, and the same method has been used in all the three triggers so as to minimize the code and maintenance should be easy. And these are some of the methods which have been written into helper class, which would help to map this account IDs and contact IDs on the basis of customer number into these three objects. This was all about the demo. Thanks for watching this demo.